Hello, my name is Ramon Valdez and I am now on Patreon. What is Patreon? I'm glad you asked. So Patreon is a subscription-based platform that connects musicians and artists and furniture makers like me with incredible supporters or patrons like you. I'm a furniture maker in northern New Mexico, but I also do a ton of things surrounding or related to woodworking. I am the originator of the dock, which is essentially a cradle for the Festool Domino. I sell the dock for both machines, the DF 500 or the XL 700. I also sell the 90-degree deck, which fits both machines. I fabricate and sell zero clearance inserts for some of the Hammer and Felder machines, which just makes them a safer machine to use. I sell plans and vice wedges, and I've created a marquetry class. I have two ebooks called Tricks of the Trade. I have Volume 1 and Volume 2. These downloadable ebooks have loads of information and include video. I'm also on YouTube, and in general, I share tons of woodworking related information. Now, this is where you come in. With your subscription to Patreon, I will be able to continue sharing and showing, helping tons of people all over the planet. How exciting is that? And depending on the level or tier that you choose, the perks or rewards can be discounts on plans and ebooks. You'll get exclusive video of behind the scenes, my process of creating, the beginning of ideas and inspiration for many jigs and fixtures, etc. I'm new to all of this, and I would love for you to join me in this exciting endeavor. And with your help, we can show, share, inspire, motivate, stimulate, influence, and fire up the imagination of those around us. And as always, thank you tons. Peace.